Dito ako sa Starbucks. May kamit ako. There you go.
Yeah, I see that you put no box, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good. I can't log into my Facebook though. That's why.
I know. I messaged you because that's where I messaged you last time.
That's good. You got my Instagram.
Because you gave me your card.
Yeah, that's a
So
good
I had
thing.
it from there,
Yeah.
and then here's
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yan, here you go. Na-sold ko ng 170. You're good. Hindi ako makalagin sa Facebook ko kasi buti na lang binigay ko yung Instagram ko. So, yeah, that's the good thing. So, nabili ko nga pala ng magkano yun? 40 bucks. Nabinta ko ng 170. So, may profit ako ng 130. 130. Not that bad. So, alright. Uwi na tayo. May profit na tayong 130. Mas malaki pa yung sinahod ko ngayong araw na to. So, kaya nga lang in-hold ko yun. Medyo matagal. Isang buwan din siguro in-hold. So, alright. See you guys. Bye-bye.